Hi everyone, I just wanted to hop on here to talk to you guys about a Why, How, What project. I wanted to introduce myself a little bit earlier, but I never got a chance to do this. So this is something that we want to kind of introduce ourselves so we can share with each other. So I will start off with the presentation of myself so you guys have an example of what this looks like. My name is Mrs. Wynn. I am married and my husband works in the technology field and works with computers. I have a small purpose that I used to have back in college that I still go and participate in today, although my participation looks a little bit differently now than it did when I was in college. So, small story, I went to Penn State University up in Pennsylvania, and we raised money for children with cancer. And the reason why we call it Thon is it's the Panhellenic Dance Marathon, and it is a big fundraiser for kids with cancer whose families can't afford to maybe go to the Hershey Medical Center to get treatment, or it just pays for vouchers, therapy, research for kids to find a cure. And the reason why we call it a dance marathon is because we dance here. We stand for 46 hours straight with no sleep in like a giant basketball arena. It's called the Bryce Jordan Center, and we dance. There's music pumping 46 hours straight. As I got older, I joined the Alumni Association, and we actually ran from the Hershey Medical Center to the Bryce Jordan Center to deliver mail for the children in the Hershey Medical Center who could not attend Thon, our dance marathon. And that in itself is an entity that started raising money for kids with cancer as well. So all this money goes to the Four Diamonds Foundation, and the Four Diamonds Foundation pays for the medical expenses for those kids and their families at the Hershey Medical Center. So that makes their jobs a little bit easier, and they don't have to worry about paying any money into pay anybody back. It's all a nonprofit organization. So how do we do it? We dance, again, for 46 hours straight. We run to pledge money to the Four Diamonds Foundation, and the fundraiser starts in September. It ends in February of the next year, and every year we have a dance marathon to wrap everything up. And as you can see in this picture right here, this was a couple years ago. They ended up raising $10 million that year. Altogether, we've raised over at least hundreds of billions of dollars. This dance marathon started back in the 1980s, where they raised $3,000 to support kids with cancer. And ever since then, they have grown. There's about 150 dancers. No, to 700. 150 the first year to 700 and over now currently. This year's going to be looking a little bit different because of our recent regulations, but hopefully we will figure out a way to bring this together, because all that money goes towards the kids, and it helps the kids. It buys music therapy for them, it buys art therapy for them, ways to help make the kids' lives a little bit better. We also run 150 miles, like I said, so we get into funny little attire like this, and we cheer each other on in relay Everybody does about 10 miles on and off, all the way to the medical center. They run up mountains, they run down mountains in ice, sleet, snow, rain or shine, all ends of the night, and they do it the night before. So it is a very, very long run. It's very invigorating afterwards, for sure. We're all really, really tired. So that's how we do it. And what is the reason what's the drive behind the purpose of everything I do today, is just to help kids. Ever since then, I knew that I needed to be being around kids and being with the people that I love is the reason why I'm here as a teacher today, is because I love helping you guys. I train myself to help you guys learn, to help you guys endure whatever's coming through, and to help you guys be able to become who you really are, and that's your best selves. So that's a little bit about me.